In this video, we will learn the difference between thread and process. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Processes and threads are fundamental concepts in computer science and operating system design. They are both units of execution, but there are key differences between them. Here are the main distinctions between processes and threads. First, let's explain what threads and processes are. A process is an independent program in execution. It has its own memory space, resources, and state. Processes are isolated from each other and communication between them often requires inter-process communication. This is called IPC. A thread is the smallest unit of execution within a process. Threads within the same process share the same memory space and resources, allowing them to communicate more easily. Let's compare thread and process in terms of resource sharing. Processes do not share memory space by default. Each process has its own address space and runs independently. Threads within the same process share the same memory space, which includes variables, files, and other resources. This makes communication between threads simpler but requires synchronization to avoid conflicts. Let's compare thread and process in terms of communication. Communication between processes usually involves more complex mechanisms, such as inter-process communication methods like pipes, message queues, or shared memory. Threads can communicate with each other more easily through shared variables because they share the same memory space. Let's compare thread and process in terms of creation and termination. Processes are typically heavier to create and terminate compared to threads. Creating a new process involves duplicating the parent process, and termination may involve cleanup tasks. Threads are lighter to create and terminate because they share resources with other threads in the same process. Creating a new thread involves less overhead than creating a new process. Let's compare thread and process in terms of isolation. Processes are isolated from each other. If one process crashes or encounters an issue, it does not affect other processes. Threads within the same process are not isolated. An issue in one thread, such as a crash or unhandled exception, can potentially affect other threads in the same process. Let's compare thread and process in terms of fault tolerance. Processes are more fault tolerant because of their isolation. A failure in one process is less likely to affect others. Threads within the same process are less fault tolerant. An unhandled exception or memory corruption in one thread can potentially affect the entire process. In summary, processes provide better isolation and fault tolerance but come with higher overhead. Threads, on the other hand, share resources more easily and are lighter weight but require careful synchronization to avoid conflicts. The choice between processes and threads depends on the specific requirements of the application and the desired balance between isolation and efficiency. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.